Hey, I want to share something with you real quick. I don't know if you recall, maybe some of you haven't seen the first few videos I did, but I wanted to mention this, that I want to show you something. I've been cutting the foot off of the celery every day, and that's what this is, right? I call it the foot. I know it's not called the foot, but I like it. I like that word. And basically what I've been doing was I've been sticking them in bowls with water at the bottom, right? And I wanted to show you something because I told you that if you do that, you can actually regrow the celery that you got from the store. And what I wanted to do is I'll show you, because the celery I did on day 1 and the celery I did on day 2 are already showing signs of growth. And I wanted to take a moment to show you that real quick. Check it out. All right, check it out. Look at that. See that? That's celery from day 2. Okay, and see it's already growing new celery inside of there. And this is celery from day 1. It's a little tinier, and that's back when I used to cut it real short. I used to cut this. Ugh, this is nasty. I used to cut the celery real short, but that has a little celery picking out at the top. So that's what happened. I got day 1, day 2, day 3, all in one thing, as you can see it coming up in day 3, right there. And so I got, day 4, 5, and 6 in this bowl. I'm gonna replenish the water down here because it's not. I want a little bit more water in that one, and in this one too. I'm gonna change the water out. Come on, let me do this. Change the and put some new fresh water in there. And then when it's celery, the new celery that's inside of there grows maybe a couple more inches. Then I'll stick it down in some dirt, and then watch it skyrocket in growth from there. And then I'll grow my own stalks of celery. And they could be like house plants, especially during this time of year, because I don't think them growing outside is a good idea with this weather we're having here in Maryland. Okay, so I'll have them in flower pots in the house, and then hey, who knows? Maybe I don't know how long it takes celery to grow. Let me safely say, in a couple months, I'll have my own stalk of celery from my own garden. And I wanted to share that because a lot of us just throw food away that is very well capable of growing some more from that food scraps that we had, like onions, especially spring onions. You cut the tip of it off, with the little roots and things on it, put it back in some water, and I've done that many times myself. Celery, it's a lot of fruits that you can regrow from using the scraps of not fruits. When I say fruits, I mean vegetables that you can regrow. And vegetables grow a lot faster than fruits. So again, let me show you just one time before I get out of here. Alright. Again, that's it right there. See a little I won't say peach fuzz. But there it is right there. You can see it growing. You see this one growing. This one is I cut this one on Wednesday, and already that's maybe 3 days, 4 days. So it doesn't take long to do. Now these here, they got a ways to go because these are mostly recent. The most recent ones. All right, that's it. I took up enough of your time. Just wanted to share that with you right quick. Hopefully to elevate a different consciousness in our people who cry, gripe, and complain about how expensive food can be. But hey, nothing beats free, especially when you already paid for it, and you can just recycle it. Just keep recycling. If you gain a little bit of knowledge, overcome some laziness, and decide in yourself that this is a more healthy way to go about it instead of having to deal. You're going to have to combat you're going to have to combat the health issues that the pesticide itself, the food is grown in, is going to cause. So why not avoid that step? Skip the middleman. All right. That's it. Y'all take care.